This turned my handheld console into a 200-inch screen. That's right, you can watch videos, you can hook it up to your game consoles like the Nintendo Switch, for example, as long as you have the attachment for the Nintendo Switch to be able to use it. These are the RayNeo Air 3S. The latest AR glasses for gamers, binge watchers, moviegoers, and more. You can even have a cinema in your pocket, ready to go. But they did one big thing in this version that blew my mind, and they fixed it. It comes with a 201-inch virtual display. These are easy to put on, especially with one bad arm like I have. Even with glasses, you can actually move these right here in 3 different levels to make it perfect for you. You can also have these as prescription too, with a little attachment on here. That way you don't even have to wear your glasses. Best part is there's no flicker, there's no strain. I even wore these here for hours with no kind of like eye strain at all, which is fantastic. And it even has whisper mode on it to where it has 4 different audio outputs, but it's all only for you. And they are nice and lightweight. These are only like 78 grams, so it's under 80 grams total in weight. It does come with 3 different visual modes. And the best part is one of those visual modes is called game mode, and it allows you to see like all those shadows and everything else, brightness and darkness for your games to make you the ultimate game boss. If you enjoy movies, it has cinema mode built into it, which turns this right here into a 201-inch movie projector vision for you for that huge screen you might really enjoy. By the way, leave a comment down below. What video game or movie would you watch first whenever you get one? If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like button too as well, because then YouTube will know to send you more content like this, even if it's not my own. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you guys what blew my mind on this, because I'm sure that you guys have been dying of wondering what I'm even talking about. If you see my last video, you probably already know, and I gave you guys a workaround before of how to get rid of those blurry edges. So there's no more blurry edges that you have to worry about with this upgraded version. I have a link down in the description down below if you guys want to check out the latest version of the RayNeo Air 3S, which are fantastic, by the way. I use it for the Nintendo Switch with the attachments on here. I also use it for my iPhone, and I really use it a lot for my iPad because my kids can watch a show on there, and I can watch it even better on here too. And I'll show you how easy it is to attach these, because it does include this little USB-C to USB-C cable. There's a little angle on here. You just click that right there into one side, and you put this right here into whatever device you want to display. I'm gonna use my iPad here real quick. And now when I pop these on, whatever's displayed on my device, I'm gonna go see right here with it. I'll look anywhere that I want right here, and I can see exactly what's on my screen. Now this here does have OptiCare on there tech, which has a 3,840 hertz. And the best part is this also has comfort and light. And you might also be wondering how big the eye boxes are. These are 14 millimeters by 7 millimeter eye boxes. So it's going to fit 90% of the users for you. And it's going to help reduce that eye fatigue, which is fantastic. So you can use these here for a very long time. The best part is you can also have a feature built into this that allows you to reduce that eye strain with it as well. So over 5,000 head scans were created to actually fit this right here for that ergonomic design. And I absolutely love these glasses right here. I love being able to like lay on the couch and just kind of like hang out and watch my favorite shows. I love watching my favorite baseball, football games, whatever it might be, sports games, on a huge screen right in front of me. I can see everything right there. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down right here. You can also find the link right here or down in the description down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.